If you've been hurt in a motorcycle accident, I have an important question for you. You want an experienced lawyer who's also an experienced biker to represent you? I'm Bill Allen. I started riding more than 40 years ago. I care deeply about bikers and their safety. Just like riding a motorcycle is different than driving a car, handling a motorcycle case is different in many ways than handling an auto case. Lots of lawyers say they'll handle your motorcycle case. Why not trust yours to one who rides?